First on Fox 21, Governor Polis says cities and counties in Colorado must now comply with recently signed housing laws or risk losing future state grants.
Fox 21's Hunter Phipps has been looking into this executive order the governor signed today and has reaction from some of our local leaders as well.
Yeah, Scott and Rachel, the governor is emphasizing 7 bills that have been passed within the last 2 legislative sessions. We have some of them listed behind me. Each of them aim to help build more houses across our state. And Governor Polis wants to make sure local governments are aligned with these policies, but some local leaders are not on board with how Polis is trying to accomplish this.
Very sadly, it's become too expensive for too many Coloradans.
Governor Polis putting his foot down to try and improve the housing crisis in Colorado. He signed an executive order Friday to prioritize state funding for counties and cities who comply with specific laws.
The legislature voted, we signed them. Others are a little slower. We, through the Department of Local Affairs, really want to have a toolbox and help local governments achieve compliance.
Polis put the focus on 7 laws in particular, from one eliminating residential occupancy limits to another giving homeowners the ability to add a second small dwelling next to their property or attached to a single-family house. 5 of them went into law last year and 2 passed this year.
It's about getting it solved, whether it's the federal government helping with housing with affordability, whether it's the state, whether it's your city, whether it's your county.
Fox 21 reached out to local leaders in southern Colorado for comment on the issue. We were not able to speak with anyone on camera Friday, but did receive several statements. The spokesperson for Pueblo Mayor Heather Graham tells Fox 21 that the city will be, quote, compliant with the laws mentioned. However, Pueblo County Commissioners Paula McPheeters and Zach Swearingen took a much different tone and seemed to disagree with the move. McPheeters said in her statement, quote, withholding grants derived from taxpayer dollars is one way to compel compliance. Pueblo County is not Denver or Boulder County. Swearingen added, quote, to restrict funding to communities that may need the most help is not the way to help this situation. Polis's executive order lists October 6th as the date where these laws will become a requirement in order to apply for state grant assistance. Project funding will not see any impacts until then. And we also reached out to Mayor Yemi Momolade's office for comment, along with the Colorado Springs City Council and the El Paso County Commissioners Board. They were unable to provide any comment at this time. Scott and Rachel.